Linking your bank account to YouTube allows you to receive payments for monetized content. Follow these steps to set up your bank account for YouTube payments. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Go to the YouTube website and sign in with your Google account that is associated with your YouTube channel. Step 2. Access YouTube Studio. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu to enter your channel's management area. Step 3. Navigate to monetization. In the left sidebar, find and click on monetization. This section will provide you with options related to your earnings and payment settings. Step 4. Set up AdSense account. If you haven't already, you will need to create or link an AdSense account. Follow the prompts to either create a new account or link your existing one, ensuring that your bank account details are included. Step 5. Verify your bank account. Once your AdSense account is set up, you may need to verify your bank account by entering the small deposit amounts that Google sends to your bank. Follow the instructions provided in your AdSense account to complete this verification. By following these steps, you will successfully link your bank account to YouTube for payment purposes. Make sure to keep your account information updated to avoid any payment issues in the future.